This professional indicator on TradingView can instantly make your technical analysis 10 times sharper and more effective. Forget about messy support and resistance lines, sloppy trend lines, or unreliable Fibonacci retracements. This all-in-one tool covers it all and lets you read price action at a level that only the top 1% of traders can. In this lesson, you'll discover the most powerful strategies the pros use with it to generate steady profits. Think of hitting the like button as adding a great stock to your portfolio. Tap it for solid returns. And if you want consistent dividends in the form of high-quality content, don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's jump straight into the tutorial. Before I show you the actual trading strategies, we need to understand how this indicator works. Let's do a quick experiment. Take a look at this chart. Can you honestly say where the price is mostly likely to go next, just by looking at it? Take a moment to study the action. If you're an experienced trader, spotting a major demand zone here probably wasn't difficult. Notice how price broke through a strong resistance level, which then flipped into support. Another clue is that the market started forming higher lows. On top of that, a downward trend line was broken. With these signals in place, it's fair to say the market looks ready to reverse. Now, let's clear these drawings off and enable our indicator to confirm if our analysis holds up. Sure enough, the indicator marked the same major support area we spotted. It even nailed it perfectly. This wasn't just any support, it was actually a demand zone taken from a higher time frame, in this case, the 4-hour chart. Price tends to respect these levels, and you can see it has retested this zone multiple times before. That adds a lot of confidence it will hold again. Another powerful feature of this tool is its built-in trend lines. It automatically connects highs and lows. Unbroken trend lines show up as solid, while broken ones turn into dashed lines. The more times a trend line holds, the stronger it is. In this chart, we can clearly see a candle closed above the descending trend line, signaling a possible trend reversal. One of the most unique functions of this indicator is the multi-time frame golden pocket. In other words, the 0.618 Fibonacci level. If we manually draw a Fibonacci retracement from the recent swing low to the swing high, you'll see that the golden pocket lines up exactly with the tool's highlight. When price pulls back here, the chance of a reversal is very high. Based on this technical setup, we'd expect price to push upward soon. And the prediction played out. Price rallied straight into a 4-hour supply zone where it hit heavy resistance, with neat confirmation that this resistance was retested in the past. Another confirmation would be a downward break of the trend line. Overall, the features packed into this indicator are extremely helpful. They let traders analyze price behavior without depending on subjective drawings or guesswork. This setup works especially well for scalping on shorter time frames like 5, 15, or 30 minutes. Another profitable way to use this tool is with trend continuation strategies. Here, the indicator comes with a trend dashboard, which shows overall market sentiment and trend strength. When price pulls back to a trend line for the second time without breaking it, that's a strong continuation signal. Before placing a buy order, always check the dashboard. You want most of the time frames showing a bullish bias. In this case, we had several confluences pointing to a bullish continuation. The most obvious was a breakout above the 4-hour resistance, which then flipped into support. Understanding how supply and demand function in trading is crucial, and this indicator simplifies that process. The golden pocket is another piece to watch. In this example, we had a perfect confluence. Price retested both the golden pocket and the trend line at the same time. With that kind of alignment, the odds of the market taking off are very strong. That being said, no strategy works 100% of the time. Losing is just a part of the game. Our job as traders is to maximize our edge as much as possible. The best way to do that is to test every setup on a demo account first before risking real capital. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test. Your challenge is to spot the trade opportunities using the technical principles we just went over. Watch price carefully and try to identify buy or sell setups. This one is straightforward. Price bounced off a demand level after a fake breakdown and then spiked higher. Next, you should have noticed the bullish trend line break with strong momentum. My question, would you consider buying here? If you answered yes, you'd be correct. Let's watch it unfold. This setup happened on Ethereum's 5-minute chart. This single trade could have earned at least 12% with 5x leverage. Make sure to hit like and subscribe. Now let me quickly show you how to install the indicator. This invite-only TradingView script is called EasyAlgo V10. Many of you already know EasyAlgo. They provide some of the most advanced technical indicators, plus access to a VIP Discord community where hundreds of traders share strategies and get daily support. There's a link down in the description to sign up though. Once you've activated your plan, the indicator will show up under the Invite Only tab. Just click on EasyAlgo V10 and open the settings. In the input section, adjust it exactly as I'm showing. If you've got questions, feel free to leave them in the comments though. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.